I'm the president of SimActive, and we're here to showcase our Correlator 3D software, which is a photogrammetric product to process imagery from drones, satellite, and aircraft. We've got customers all over the world producing DSMs, DTMs, point clouds, mosaics using our software. One of the big advantages is its speed. It's up to 20 times faster than any other software out there. We're using the GPU to accelerate processing. This week we're particularly excited because we're launching version 8 of the software, which features 3D modeling. It can generate 3D texture meshes and photorealistic models. Anyone who's interested in our product can download the software on our website.